In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up email automations in Wix Forms. Automating emails is a powerful way to streamline your processes and engage with your website visitors effortlessly. Start by heading to your Wix dashboard. From there, find the automation section. This is where all your automated workflows live. Once you're in, click plus new automation or create automation to get started. You'll have two options: start from scratch or use Wix's pre-made suggested automations. For full customization, select Start from Scratch. This lets you design your automation exactly how you want it. Now it's time to define your trigger, the event that starts your automation. For Wix Forms, the most common trigger is when a user submits a form on your site. After that, set up the action, what happens once the trigger occurs. In this case, it's sending an email to the user. You can customize the email content, subject, and timing to match your brand's tone and provide value to your audience. As you set this up, keep the user experience in mind and ensure your messages are clear and helpful. Once your automation looks perfect, double check everything for accuracy, then save it to activate, and that's it. Your email automation is now live, helping you engage with visitors and streamline your workflows without lifting a finger. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of Wix's powerful automation features. Happy automating!